Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of wrapping text in Figma, a powerful design tool. To get started, open the Figma application on your device. Once you're in, select an existing text layer or create a new one by using the text tool. Begin typing your text, and you'll notice that Figma automatically adjusts the text box size to match the length of your content. This is known as the auto wrap feature. However, if you want a consistent layout and prefer a fixed text box size, we can easily adjust that. Navigate to the right sidebar and locate the layout options. There, you'll find an option labeled Fixed Size. By clicking this, you can set a specific width and height for your text box. Once this setting is applied, your text box will no longer resize as you continue to type, ensuring it remains a constant size regardless of the amount of text you enter. For further adjustments, Figma also allows you to revert to an auto height or auto width setting, which can be extremely helpful if you want the text box to dynamically adjust again in the future. And that's a comprehensive guide on how to wrap text in Figma. Thank you for tuning into this video. If you found this informative, please consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful how-to content.